Summer Vacation Essentials, Ultimate Checklist Guide for the Trip. Summer vacation essentials are all about being prepared. This guide has everything you need to plan. Many travelers choose to go on trips in the summer due to several reasons. The season is famous for its pleasant weather, longer daylight hours, and school vacations. As a result, this makes summer an ideal time for a trip. Think of family vacations, outdoor activities, and exploring new destinations. In this guide, we will first pack for your general summer trip. That part will help you to think about unique items you will want to bring along. Then, we will go into specifics, such as the essentials for your international travel. Of course, we will also cover road trips and cruise summer vacations. So, if you're planning a trip for the summer, keep on watching. We all love to imagine an easy, breezy trip, but your summer vacation necessities will probably include planning. You will probably want to think about sunscreen to protect your skin. Also, consider bringing a beach towel for lounging by the water. Likewise, pack a good book for relaxation. Naturally, sunglasses to shield your eyes, a hat for sun protection, and a swimsuit for dipping into the waters are also high on the list. Of course, consider bringing a camera to capture memories. Also, don't forget a cooler for refreshing drinks and snacks. Meanwhile, make sure to include insurance in your trip planning. Travel insurance is important for summer vacation. It gets you coverage for unexpected events. Think of trip cancellations, medical emergencies, lost luggage, and flight delays. Travel insurance also offers peace of mind, financial protection, and assistance in case of unforeseen circumstances. All of this ensures a smoother and worry-free vacation experience. It goes without saying, but avoid overpacking and carrying unnecessary items. Bring only what you need. Don't forget to check the weather forecast and pack appropriate clothing. Avoid overspending by setting a budget. Steer clear of crowded tourist areas if you prefer a more peaceful experience, and don't forget to stay hydrated and protect yourself from excessive sun exposure. Of course, we have other things to share with you that will show up in the upcoming sections. Summer vacation documents. Here are the essential documents to include in your summer vacation packing. First of all, double-check passport validity. Make sure it will not expire 6 months before your planned return date. Likewise, having a copy of the itinerary will help you stay organized. You will have important information readily available. Similarly, if you have travel insurance, make sure to carry the necessary documentation. This includes policy details and emergency contact information. Meanwhile, we would encourage you to have some local currency on hand. You can get it from your bank. Speaking of the bank, inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid any issues with your cards. Of course, you should carry your health insurance cards or any relevant medical information. This is particularly the case if you're traveling internationally. Finally, keep copies separate from the originals in case of loss or theft. This way, you can secure your original documents while having the copies easily accessible. Summer vacation packing. For clothing, think about diversity. Lightweight swimwear, cover-ups, underwear, and sleepwear are all essential. These will keep you cool and comfortable during hot days. That said, if you are going to a place with sacred sites, make sure to bring modest clothing. This is especially the case for women. Likewise, make sure to pack comfortable walking shoes or sneakers. You want ones that you can rely on for exploring. Similarly, don't forget to pack a pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun's glare. Make sure to also include a sun hat or cap to shield your face and head from the sun. Of course, you want to pack a beach towel or mat. They are perfect for lounging on the sand or by the pool. Opt for a quick drying and lightweight option that is easy to carry. Bring a beach bag or tote to carry your essentials. This will allow you to easily carry sunscreen, water bottle, and beach accessories. Meanwhile, toiletries are another area to consider. Start with sunscreen. Bring one with high SPF. And pack soothing aloe vera for post-sun hydration and relief. Consider bringing an insect repellent. This depends on your destination and the prevalence of insects. If you are going to the tropics, they will protect you from bug bites. Finally, remember it may be cheaper to shop at the destination. Do your research and think ahead. Summer flight essentials. For a flight, make sure essentials like your ID, boarding pass, wallet, and phone are easily accessible. Generally speaking, airlines allow you to have a larger carry-on item. But they also let you have a personal item. Your essentials should go in the personal item for easy access. Likewise, bring entertainment. Consider books, magazines, or a tablet with headphones. This is because some airlines have entertainment options that may not suit every traveler. Similarly, don't forget chargers and power banks for your devices. This is especially the case if the plane doesn't have plugs. Meanwhile, consider bringing a travel pillow and blanket for comfort. Unfortunately, airlines don't give you a brand new blanket. They typically wash them, but if you don't trust the airline, that is an issue. Finally, stay hydrated with a refillable water bottle and snacks. That way, you won't have to wait until service periods for you to have a sip of water. Summer road trips. For a road trip, here are essential items you should consider bringing. First of all, even with modern technology, it's a good idea to have physical road maps. This will act as a backup. Likewise, prepare an emergency kit. It should include items such as a spare tire, jumper cables, and a flashlight. Also, basic tools, roadside flares, and a first aid kit. Similarly, pack for comfort. Bring comfortable clothing suitable for long hours of driving. You should also bring layers, as temperatures can vary throughout the trip. Meanwhile, to keep yourself entertained during the journey, bring your favorite audio stuff. Have your playlists, audiobooks, or podcasts easily accessible. Snacks like trail mix, granola bars, and fruits are great options to have on hand. They are perfect to keep hunger at bay between meal stops. Finally, ensure you have a suitable phone charger or power bank to keep your electronic devices charged during the trip. Being prepared and having these essentials on hand will help make your summer road trip safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. What to avoid? For summer trips, avoid overpacking by sticking to versatile clothing options. In most cases, it may be cheaper to buy it at the destination. Likewise, avoid forgetting essential items like sunscreen and sunglasses. Also, avoid booking flights during peak travel times to minimize crowds and potential delays. If you can, make sure your traveling date is on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or a Thursday. Finally, steer clear of overloading your itinerary to allow for flexibility and relaxation. So, are you ready for your summer trip? This guide gave you an extensive overview of essential items to consider. From travel documents to what to avoid, each section presented valuable insights and practical tips. Start packing and get ready for an incredible adventure. For more travel guides, consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time.